The Teletubbies are hungry. Their stomachs are growling. It's time for a snack. Here's the Teletubbies' little kitchen. No tubby toast today. Today we're going to have fun with an organic rice cake, a snack I used to make when I was a kid. First, some cheese spread. Now let's make a face. 2 eyes with carrots. A nose with a corn chip. And we need a mouth. I cut up some plantain. And now we want some hair. I use sprouts. Sprouts are really healthy for us. Ta-da! You can try this at home. You can use a nut butter. You can use chocolate spread. But make sure you get your greens too. Goodbye!